Hey, this is Allison from Mahalo Math. Welcome to our SAT Prep series. We're going to be working some problems, and working with me today is Chrissy and Trevor. So let's get started. All right, we're up to problem number 24. Let's take a look. It says, of the following numbers, which is least? And it gives us our answers here, our possible answers. 1 plus 1/3, 1 minus 1/3, 1/3 minus 1, 1 times 1/3, and 1 plus 1/3. Which of those numbers do you think is the smallest? Anybody have an idea?
I think I want to make a guess, but
Okay, well, what's your guess?
1 minus 1/3.
Why did you guess that?
Because I don't know.
Okay. Well, this is actually one of those problems that you could certainly sit here and you could figure out, you know, what 1 plus 1/3 and 1 minus 1/3 and all of that is, but you actually don't have to. A negative number is always smaller than a positive number, always.
Right.
So all you have to do is look and see if any one of these numbers is negative. Will any one of these numbers be negative? Which one?
C.
Why?
Because 1/3 is less than 1.
Right.
And it's minusing 1.
Exactly. You're
from a
subtracting a larger number from a smaller number. So for sure, when you subtract 1 from 1/3, you're going to get a number that's less than 0. It's going to be negative. Since none of the other numbers can possibly be negative, right? Because we're either adding or multiplying positive numbers. The only other subtraction we have is b, and 1 minus 1/3, 1/3 is smaller than 1, so we're still going to be greater than 0. So in this case, it doesn't even matter what the number was. You only have one negative possibility. That has to be the smallest one. So the answer is C. Now, if we had looked at this and none of the numbers had been negative, or a couple of them had, then we would have to do calculations to actually figure out what is the smallest number. But in a case like this, if you can find one that's negative, or vice versa, if you have all negative numbers and one of them's positive, that's an easy way to find the least or the greatest one in a list without really having to do any calculations at all.
Makes sense.
Yeah? Thanks for learning with us today. If you'd like any more information on these topics, click on the links below. And if you have a specific request, please send it to requests@mahalo.com. We'll see you later.